Cory, this story broke a few weeks back. We had these fires, reports of explosions. Why didn't Samsung take this action then? Why did it wait so long? Why did it try to do this recall?
Well, I really think they thought they could fix the problem, and really also, obviously, the reputational risk is significant as well. But the reputational risk is a real thing here. It's really about the Samsung brand. And, you know, I personally found it amazing when I've gotten on flights in different airlines over the course of the last couple of weeks. And on every single flight I've been in the last 3 weeks, there's been a specific warning about Samsung phones. It tended to get more specific about the Note 7, but at a certain point when the flight attendants are warning all of the passengers about specific category devices, Samsung phones, it's a problem for the brand. And specifically, this is, you know, it matters when I mention airlines because this is a high-end phone. There's a phone that tends to go for more than $700. And in the marketplace, for smartphones over $700, Samsung and Apple are 98.7% of the entire industry. So you would expect not only would Samsung be a big loser here, Apple to be a big winner, because when it comes to high-end smartphones, it's a two-horse race.
What does this say about what's going on at Samsung right now? The head of the electronics group on medical leave, has been on medical leave now for many months. What kind of condition is this company in, and how detrimental is this going to be?
Well, you know, as we like to say on TV, time will tell.
Yes.
But I think more importantly, when we look at what's happening with this company, we really see what's, you know, we're in a second or third derivative of the smartphone business, where the changes in the phones are really hard to come by. The biggest change is the step change from a flip phone to a smartphone. But once we were into the world of smartphones, the real innovations are going to be about performance and price. And they want Samsung made a decision to try to really capture more of the high end, to keep their average selling prices higher. They've announced just as much in their quarterly discussions of their results. They want to keep ASPs higher. How do you do that? By having better performance, by having better battery performance, by having more features and performance on the phone. And so as a result, they've really been pushing the material science limits of the battery and of the semiconductors, and the result is they've really gone kind of past the bleeding edge here with the problems with this phone.